Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
You are going to kiss your wife. Remove your glasses, bring it, let me help you hold it. You want to kiss your wife. Look deep into her eyes. Look at her, look at her. No, I've asked you to start. On your lip, on your class, lip set, is go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mommy, look at your son. Father, look at your daughter. If you stop, I will start from the beginning. 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait. See, a kiss is like osmosis. You start from the region of lower concentration to the region of higher concentration, passing through a semi-permeable membrane called the lips. You start from the lower lip, you proceed to the upper lips, and then you allow your tongues to communicate, and then you allow both lips to come together. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, hold the microphone, let me help you. I just want to help my friend. Why are you people shouting around? Alright. Now you're going to look at your wife. Please come put our hands together for Gloria. Gloria, where are you? Alright, Gloria is going to sing for both of you. And you are going to dance. So let me dance. Alright.
Congratulations to Shani and Nabila.
Media guys, can you guys squat? People can't see them. Let's go. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, please. We have Kabesi. Kabesi.
Found a dream that I could stick to, a dream that I could call my own. I found a dream to press my cheek to. Shani and Nabila, I have to do this song again because we have some technical difficulties, so have patience.
Caliber. together for glory.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.